How to fix Android not charging. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve charging issues on your Android device. First, check your charging cable and adapter for any visible damage or wear. Next, try using a different charging cable and power adapter to rule out faulty accessories. Following that, inspect your phone's charging port for any dust, lint, or debris. Now, use a toothpick or compressed air to gently clean out the charging port. Moving forward, restart your Android device to clear any temporary software glitches. Afterwards, press and hold the power button and select Restart from the options. In addition to that, try charging your phone using a different power outlet or USB port. Once you've tested different outlets, check if your phone charges in safe mode. Subsequently, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Moreover, tap and hold on power off until you see the safe mode option. Afterwards, tap on safe mode to restart your device in safe mode. Then, try charging your phone in safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the issue. Within this section, if your phone charges in safe mode, uninstall recently downloaded apps. Alternatively, you can open settings and tap on battery to check for any battery optimization issues. Once you're in battery settings, disable battery optimization for essential apps if needed. Then, if none of these steps work, consider visiting a service center for hardware inspection. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix your Android charging issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.